We got one more Canada video coming to you guys, so definitely subscribe to the MarshillFilms YouTube channel. This button should be right below you, and make sure you check out the Food by MarshillFilms Instagram page, and make sure you follow us there. A lot of behind the scenes and a lot of extra photos of delicious food will be on that channel, so definitely check it out. And let us know where you want us to go next time. We're hopping countries now, so let us know what other places we should visit down in the comment sections below. Welcome back to MarshillFilms, and today we are at the Assembly Chef Food Hall in Toronto, Canada. And it's a really cool place because it's basically Canada's, I guess, biggest food hall in Toronto area in the heart of downtown. And what's great is they have food from all over the place. And one of the places that we're at is at Love Chix. We are at Love Chix. So Love Chix has this fried chicken, poutine, but they have this one fusion flavored dish, which is their butter chicken poutine. Now poutine is gravy with cheese curds and fries, but today we have the butter chicken version of it. So they have just your regular fries, but they put butter chicken over it. They put butter chicken over it. My camera woman just almost fell over. But they put butter chicken over it with some fresh yogurt and some seasoning and some peppers. So we're excited to dig into that. And we're going to go and check out some other food stuff. I'm going to order something from a different place and let you know all about them. Ramen. That's where I got this wonderful, beautiful bowl of ramen from, and they have scallions, noodles, cabbage, fried pork, and also their ramen. And it's supposed to be a more spicier ramen. There's three. They have three bowls. They're all the same, except the spice levels are different. So I got the medium spice. I got a long drive back to Canada. Don't want to jeopardize anything, but back to the U.S. I got a long drive back to the U.S. and don't want to jeopardize anything, so I got the medium spice. Good flavors, fresh. Pork is really tender. Really digging this noodle. Not too spicy. I should have gone the spiciest version of it, but so far pretty good. Good flavors. Really smoky. Love this. Good job, Shin Ramen. So you got the butter chicken with the yogurt right there. You got some of these delicious golden brown fries. Really soft, really tender chicken, and the butter chicken is sweet, like not overly sweet or anything like that, not that too sweet you're gonna get sick of it, but it's the perfect butter chicken, and that fry and the saltiness of the fries kind of balances out the flavors really well. Kind of like a sweet and salty mixture. Amazing. Definitely highly recommend this. We had the chicken sandwich the other day too, really good, but if you like flavor, this is the way to go. Love it. And the yogurt gives it a bit of a freshness from all the intense flavors. The yogurt kind of cleanses your palate just a little bit. Good job, Love Chix. And let us know where you want us to go next time. And until next time, peace.